Welcome back. Today we're gonna try to clean up the manual Greenworks reel mower. It's gonna use some of this Method all-purpose cleaner and a brush, and this baby hasn't been cleaned up in quite some time. You can see that bed knife is just has some kind of gunk caked onto it. Clean up the blades as well and everything else. Just make it look a little bit nicer going into the spring here. I'm mowing my lawn much more often now. It's growing. Let's get started. Took a few minutes, a little bit of spraying and scrubbing, and she's looking pretty good. Got all that gunky dirt off for the most part, and it'll just be dry in a few minutes sitting here in the nice warm sun. And here's just a nice look underneath. Some of the paint is starting to chip off of the reel blade, but not a big deal. Blades are not as sharp as they used to be, but still cuts really well when you look at the end of the leaf blade. They're not tearing or anything like that. I'll probably just have to make some adjustments as far as the bed knife to the reel contact, but it looks nice and clean.